my science experiment. It is an ultimate science kit. Albert Einstein. Look how cool it is. Well, we don't need this packaging. Now let's open this. Let's use some scissors. You should not do it at home. You should use parents' help. Well, I'm not needing this for sure. Let's open this. How many stuff are there? So many colors. Yellow, red, blue, orange, pink, green. Let's see. There are 2 books in science stuff. The instruction book. Experiment number 1. Magic volcano.
I'm sure you've seen mountains that open up and blurt out thick molten semi-solid-like substance. Well, that's called a volcano. Let's learn more about it.
We have all of the ingredients here. First, we put 2 scoops of red thing here. Ooh, how cool it looks. Let's stir. Let's put 2 spoons on the jar. Let's now put 2 spoons of baking soda. One, 2. Shake. Be an explosion. Now there will be a wild lava.
Oh, hello friends. Oh. Are you wondering what this is? Well, it's the molten lava that comes out from a volcano.
Let's do it. Oh wow, let's add some more. Little more baking soda. Little more citric acid. Okay, nothing else. If you liked my video, smash the subscribe button and like today's video. Bye!